guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and in this video, we're going to be going over another Starfall Sabers lightsaber. This guy is so reminiscent of Luke, it hurts. Like, it's got a brass, it doesn't look anything like Luke's lightsaber, but there are cuts and the shape of it have a lot of reminiscent features of Luke's lightsabers, so without further ado, why don't we just jump right in and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alrighty, so we got another Starfall saber. This one is really, really nice. I like it a lot because it's solid all the way through, but then has these like not graflex. This is kind of graflex reminiscent, but this is more of like the Luke Obi-Wan kind of pummel action going on here. And I love the greeblies and the accents of brass. So in order to actually turn the saber on, I've got it set up so that the left button is power and the right is auxiliary. There's also a stock NPXL V3 in there. But this screw, let's focus up right here. So this screw right here releases this. So let's just do that real quick. Loosen that. This comes out. And then your chassis just dumps out. It's a pretty nice fit inside here, so you don't really have to worry about it moving back and forth or rattling around. Everything gets held into place by the pommel. But in order to turn the saber on, you actually have access to your Proffieboard, the batteries back here, but then 24mm speaker, and as I already said, the switches and the stock connector. But just pull this kill switch, or kill key right here. So this comes out, boot up, and then I would just recommend twisting this clockwise every time you put it in until it sinks in. If this is not like pushing back out like that, then maybe backwind it, like unwind it for the wires. But otherwise clockwise always in, and then tighten this down, and now you're good to go. So this screw is your bleed retention screw, and this is actually holding the NeoPixel connector in, so leave that alone. It's not even the same size as this set screw, but back this out a little bit like that. Grab a blade and throw it in. Whoops. And gestures are on, so this just slides right in like that. Tighten this down, and then boom.
Hero's Journey.
And then when you're done with the saber, obviously you would want to put the kill key back in. But the basic controls of this are, since you have the gestures, you can pull down and it'll turn the saber on, and then you can twist off. And then to normally turn it on, tap the power, tap it to turn it off, blasters on auxiliary. If you hold either button with a collision, you'll get lockup. You can get blaster mode, hold the auxiliary for 1 second while the blade's on, and now when you move it, you'll get blaster deflection. Tap it to stop. Tap the auxiliary to change fonts.
Reconcile.
And that pretty much covers this hilt. I mean, not too much more to go over. So here, as I was saying, you wanted to just put the kill key in for when you're ready to store it. Twist it clockwise, throw in your pommel, and tighten down the set screw. You're good to go. We have some beautiful acid etching by Chris Skinner done on the shroud. And this emitter is just so cool. I mean, I love this. It's a lot like a graflex, but it's not a graflex. It's even more unique. And this thing is like really sturdy. It feels so good in the hand. So cool. So let me know what you think. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, I have plenty of other content on the channel. Please leave a like and subscribe, and you won't miss out on any of the future builds that I'm doing. I have KR Saber Thrawn Hunters, which the first one just came in. So I'm going to be doing an install on those, a ton of installs, and I'll update you on how that goes. Maybe do like a work in progress report. I don't know. We'll see. Tell me in the comments if what you want to see, because I'm open to record everything. You want live videos? I don't know. If you want a commission, please reach out at john@sabersforever.com, and I'll be more than happy to send you a free quote with a price for the work that you are requesting to have done. So until the next video, may the Force be with you, and I'll see you around. Or the saber gets the last word. I don't know.